Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera and I also did one eye off camera. What I used for my eyebrows was the soft brown dip brow pomade from Anastasia. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade medium brown. And then to cut out my eyebrows, I used a Tarte Shape Tape. I think mine is in the shade light medium. So for the eyes, what I used today was the Huda Neon Obsessions. This one is the pink one. So now we're just gonna jump in. What I used today was this pink one right here. So we're just gonna like pack our brush. You will see a lot of fallout because I'm trying to pack the eyeshadow. So I can get like a really intense pink. So you guys can see like more clearly what I'm doing with my eyes. I brought you guys in a little bit closer, and yes, there's a lot of fallout, but as I said, I'm packing the eyeshadow, so I think all eyeshadows tend to do like have a lot of fallout when you're packing. I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. And then I'm just gonna try to slightly start like going upwards and just slightly so I could start blending. So now I'm just gonna go in with like a blending brush, this brush right here, and I'm gonna go into this shade right So we're done with the pink shadows. Now I'm just gonna take a facial wipe and wipe away all that fallout. So now I'm gonna go in with the brow bone highlight. So I took like a flat top brush and I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow kit, and I am going to go in with the shade Unicorn. This shade right here on my brow bone. And then I'll also add that same unicorn shade and use it for my inner corner. So what I'm doing is just like blending it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use the MAC Gold Light Strobe Cream. So now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in the shade 312 Golden Door, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use a beauty blender for that. Okay, so for concealer I'm gonna go in with the Becca Aqualuminous Concealer in beige. So I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Vulgar, it's a translucent setting powder, this one right here. Okay, so I already added my loose powder, and now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus in NC42 and set the rest of my face with that. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun and use that to bronze up my face. And I'm sorry if you could hear my son, he's in here with me. And I'm just gonna take this bronzer brush. Okay, so now we're gonna go into our bottom lash line, and I'm gonna take that pink that we used all over the eye, this one right here, and go underneath the lash line. And then I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose. So while that sets, I'm gonna go ahead and do the black hole on the waterline. I'm going to use this one from Vintage. It's a black, jet black liner. Okay, so now we can go ahead and take that bake off. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte blush in Party, and now I'm just gonna spray that with some of the Evian facial spray. So now we're gonna go in with some highlighter. I'm going to use the Glow Kit, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Dream, and I'm gonna go in with that same brow bone highlighter. It's the shade Unicorn. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this with the Evian spray. Okay, so while I was off camera, I went ahead and did my lashes. So Now we're gonna go in. I was thinking of doing a pink lip, but I think it would be a little too much for the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow, and then I used this gloss. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's this shade right here. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.
I couldn't agree that we were meant to be.